More breaking news updates coming in on the issue of door-to-door vaccination. Maharashtra government has sought 1 week time from the Bombay High Court. The High Court in its today's hearing has said that task force has proceeded in the right direction and it expects the state to place the final guidelines by next Tuesday. Let me go across to my colleague Disha Shah for more on this. Disha, what we can in fact see is that the High Court has reacted as the Maharashtra government is seeking a week's time, and the High Court has also said that the task force is moving in the right direction. Please take us through some of the other observations made in the court today.
Well, Tanima, this is a very important subject which is being heard at the Bombay High Court for a very, very long time, specifically since last 1.5 months, where there was a plea which was put up that how, every person needs to be vaccinated in the city of Mumbai, whether they are disabled, whether they are 75 plus, and also for the people who cannot really walk up to the centers and get the jabs. So we know for the fact that this particular hearing, a lot of back and forth was going on. The Bombay High Court did slam the BMC, the Maharashtra state government, and also the centre, because the centre on one hand said they do not really have any specific guidelines for administering door-to-door vaccination for specifically elderly people and also for disabled people. But in the last couple of hearings, it was also observed that however there is no per se by the centre. So the Maharashtra government and the BMC was asked to draft its guidelines on how they can proceed with the door-to-door vaccination, so that even people who are sitting at home, specifically the super senior citizens who are not able to walk, even they can get a jab. So today the Maharashtra government has really communicated to the Bombay High Court, stating that they have drafted the policy, they have drafted certain guidelines which they have showed to the court, and the court in fact said that the state task force is really heading towards the right direction, and they have given a week's time to finalize these guidelines per se. So currently it's only under the draft stage, and within a week or so these guidelines will be finalized and then put forward to the Bombay High Court. So in the city of Mumbai, specifically for the people who cannot really walk up to these centers, they can also get jabs at home, is what the Bombay High Court is really pursuing.
Right, Disha, thank you so much for joining us with the latest update coming in from the Bombay High Court there.